This variety is sure to bring a touch of the exotic to our sunflower exploration as it will yours. The Mongolian sunflower is a marvel of the sunflower family. While not the tallest, standing proudly at up to 14 feet, it's known for its robust growth and large, hardy heads that can reach impressive widths, making it a contender in the size department. What sets the Mongolian sunflower apart is not just its size, but its resilience. Adapted to various climates, it's a testament to the sunflower's versatility and strength. The Mongolian variety thrives in conditions where others might falter, bringing its sunny disposition to gardens far and wide. Its seeds are a treasure trove of nutrition, sought after for their health benefits and delicious taste. Like the Russian mammoth, the Mongolian sunflower is not only a feast for the eyes but also a boon for birds and humans alike, providing sustenance and beauty.